Here we go.
10-minute time limit. Introducing first, from parts unknown, weighing 225 pounds, Mr. X. His opponent, now about to enter the ring area, from New Orleans, Louisiana, weighing 260 pounds, the Junkyard Dog.
There he is, the Junkyard Dog.
Yes, Jack, and there's always action when the Junkyard Dog steps into the ring. He gets the crowd pumped up. And Mr. X decided he wanted to bail out, it looks like.
Junkyard Dog entering the ring. Mr. X, his opponent, this week on the World Wrestling Federation. Hi again, everybody. This is Jack Reynolds at ringside, along with Jesse the Body Ventura.
Well, Jack, we're going to see a good match here. I think the Junkyard Dog against Mr. X, who we know nothing about. And the dog shoots him right back into the corner. Very strong man, the Junkyard Dog. Collar elbow, hook up, and a hip toss.
Junkyard Dog talking to his opponent. Likes to taunt his opponents.
Another collared elbow hook up into an arm bar. The Junkyard Dog with an arm bar on Mr. X.
Mr. X has been around, so to speak, has paid his dues in the world of professional wrestling and is what is considered a crafty veteran.
Good leg trip, still holding on to the arm bar. See, that's what you want to do in wrestling, Jack. You want to get a hold and continually go back to it. Wear your opponent down till you can set him up for the pin. And it appears the Junkyard Dog is going to work the arm of Mr. X tonight.
Little raking of the eyes going on right now with Mr. X and a boot to the midsection.
And it looked like a shot to the throat. But here comes the Dog. Dropped it with the right hand and then the boot across the top of the mask. I don't know if that would hurt too bad. And there's an ear tracker. Into the ropes and a big clothesline. Big clothesline. Mr. X is in trouble. The Dog covers him. One. And the Junkyard Dog picked him up, Jack. I believe he could have pinned him. There's no call for that on his part.
Referee Roger Francoeur with a 1 count. Looked like Roger was going with the 3 count, but nothing doing.
The Junkyard Dog hit the Mr. X with a headbutt. Mr. X is calling for a timeout, but as you know, there aren't no timeouts in pro wrestling.
Junkyard Dog right now in complete command, control of this bout.
Hits him with a big forearm, and that'll ring your bell, believe me, Jack. Picks him up. Looks like setting him up for a big body slam. You get a few of those, you go to the chiropractor.
Big body slam in there by the Junkyard Dog. Referee Roger Francoeur looking at Mr. X right now.
And Mr. X again calling for a timeout and starts hammering on the Junkyard Dog, but the Dog hits him with that forearm again.
Oh, a tremendous forearm shot there by JYD, the Junkyard Dog.
There's a height back, and again, he's going to rearrange his back. Let's see if he picks him up again. And he does it again.
He did it again.
Looks like a big power slam coming up. Oh, a big power slam.
There's the 3 count. There's the 3 count. The Junkyard Dog punishing his opponent, Mr. X. It seemed to me there was a little vendetta going on there, Jesse.
Well, I don't understand it, Jack. I believe the Junkyard Dog could have pinned him on two other occasions. But he picked the man up.
All right, let's get the official decision right now.
The winner of the match, the Junkyard Dog.
There he is, the Junkyard Dog. He's the winner of this exciting bout with Mr. X. Jesse, as I said, immediately following the Junkyard Dog's victory over Mr. X, it seemed to me that he wanted to punish his opponent.
Well, I don't understand it. You know, most of the time, a wrestler will try to pin his opponent every chance he gets. Now, here we go. The Junkyard Dog picks him up. He's setting him up with a big power slam here. Big power slam. Watch the dog's body bounce off this man when they hit. Boom. And that will indeed knock the wind out of you, Jack.
Referee Roger Francoeur with the 3 count. For the Junkyard Dog, as I said, really punishing his opponent, Mr. X.
On through with